because we have so many questions. There's so much news. Nothing is really formalized in exactly what it is we should be looking for. And it would be very normal to have that fear of what is happening in our communities. We've already been giving some specific strategies, the staying our distance, wearing a mask. If you're sick, stay home. If you have those pre-existing conditions, what can I do to help keep myself safe? Maybe I'm ordering online and people are dropping them off, or I'm having family members who I associate with who don't have COVID. And that's the people that I try to, keep in my inner circle. Well, there are some really good distraction kinds of strategies. Grounding yourself to simply look in your environment. Okay, but I'm safe. Here's the house, here's the living room, here's the coffee table. Bringing yourself back to a safe environment and recognizing that, hey, wait a minute, I am taking those steps. I am using strategies to keep safe. And then if the worst comes to worst, I can handle it. I'm thinking you should stop. If you're being so triggered by the things that keep changing in the news, you should stop watching it. We already know that there are dangerous situations. We already know what we're supposed to be doing to keep ourselves safe. Distance, mask, if I'm sick, stay home, that kind of a thing. So I shouldn't have to keep watching the news and keep traumatizing myself day after day over what is actually happening all across the globe. I should try to focus on myself, my family, my community, and how do I just stay safe while this is happening. Well, you can only do what is in your control. We have no control over what other people do. We have no control over what other people think. We can only keep ourselves safe. To worry about, people doing this, people doing that, people not doing this, not doing that, it doesn't help my personal self. I need to focus only on me and keeping me and my family safe, doing what is necessary in that environment. So not worrying about what others are doing. And then just using those distraction strategies. What can I do in the meantime? How do I stay busy? How do I relax? Relaxation exercises, making a cup of tea, sitting outside in my backyard. All of those things just to help me keep my mental health up and not worry about the rest of the world and what they're doing. Well, definitely everybody should try to pull together a bigger support system. And we have those social media pieces that can help us connected, to be Skyping people, to, having these kinds of video chats, but to surround yourself with people who are at the ability to talk with you when you need to talk, do some exciting things, maybe a virtual dinner with friends that are all isolated and everybody's online and we're all eating in our own homes. Coming up with creative ideas to actually make myself see people, talk with people, and yet I'm not really even leaving the safety of my home. Well, definitely the mental health system in our area is very good. There are plenty of therapists around. If it is some chemical imbalance or you've had some trauma because of what's been happening, definitely there is medication managers out and about with the Aurora system. If you don't have any strategies, connect with that therapist to help build on your skill set for strategies.